Good morning. Are you Michael Serant?
Yes, ma'am.
And Mr. Serant, this is your initial appearance in cause number 25 DCCR 1691. Your charge.
Right out of the gate, this is an initial appearance. No evidence, no witnesses, no arguments yet. The judge is only confirming 3 things: who you are, what you're charged with, and whether you're complying with court rules. But don't get it twisted. Third-degree felony evading with a vehicle is serious. That's real prison time on the table, not a slap on the wrist. This is where the clock officially starts ticking.
Third-degree felony offense of evading arrest or detention with the use of a vehicle from October 16th of 2025. Since you've made bond, have you had an opportunity to try to hire a lawyer?
I talked to one place, but I've really been trying to get a hold of the Legal Star and the Pro Bono Association, but haven't really got much friction from it.
Here's a common mistake defendants make: calling the wrong kind of legal help. Groups like Legal Aid often don't handle felony criminal cases. The judge isn't being harsh here. She's sending a clear signal. You need a real criminal defense attorney, and you need one fast. And notice the shift in tone. It's still polite, but the expectations are now crystal clear.
I can tell you they typically do not handle criminal cases. You were given a court-appointed lawyer while you were in custody. You still have that lawyer, but once you've made bond, I expect you to at least try to hire someone. So I'm going to reset your case about 30 days, give you some time to see if you can get someone hired.
Yes, ma'am.
If you do get someone hired, just bring the reset notice that you get today to that lawyer. They'll tell you what to do. If you're unable to hire someone, then I'm ordering you to visit with at least 3 attorneys. They all charge different amounts. They have different payment plans. Bring me back the names of the lawyers you've talked to so I know you're trying, and then we'll discuss your options.
Yes, ma'am.
If you don't do that, then when you come back,
This right here is the quiet threat every judge uses. Miss your homework, ignore an order, or show no effort, and boom, bond goes up, freedom goes down. This isn't about money, it's about compliance. The court doesn't care if you're struggling, it cares if you're trying. So here's the question for you watching. Would you know what counts as trying in a judge's eyes?
you run the risk of me raising your bond for not following the court order, and you would go back to jail. Do you understand? All right, step in front of the clerk. She'll give you your reset notice.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Delvin Jones.
Thank you.
Good morning, sir. You're Delvin Jones?
Yes, ma'am.
And Mr. Jones, were you able to get someone hired?
No, ma'am.
Who'd you talk to?
Talked about 20 people, but I wrote down the Jervis Kelly Law Firm, Hecker McCray Attorney, and Willard Law Firm, with plenty more.
Okay. So where are you on being able to get someone hired?
I'm working for Craigslist, like different gigs and trying to save up some money, so I'm just been trying to really start.
You're working for Craigslist doing what?
Like different gigs, like, painting and stuff like that.
Okay. Have you tried to go get a job somewhere else, like a full-time job?
And be a lot of stuff they kind of look on your background and stuff like that.
This exchange hits hard. Gig work, background checks, offers falling apart like dominoes. It's the modern justice system colliding with real life. Judges walk a tightrope here. They can't ignore financial reality, but they also won't let cases stall forever. This is where defendants either sink or finally get appointed counsel.
Just like dominoes, the different driver, they was gonna hire me, but they looked at my work and stuff like that.
Right. What's the status of that theft case over in Llano?
It's really about they wanna they say something about deferred probation. What it's gonna be pretty
When's
much
your next court date over there?
the 29th, I believe. They were saying something about it's not gonna be anything on my record that with the case from what the was over there.
Okay. So you have an attorney over there?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. I'm going to have you fill out some paperwork this morning, Mr. Jones, to see if you qualify for a court-appointed lawyer. You need to fill it out accurately and completely. You're going to swear under oath that everything in it is true. If you'll step in front of the clerk down there, she'll give you that paperwork and give you your instructions.
Yes, ma'am.
Darius Sparks. Good morning, you're Darius Sparks. And Mr. Sparks, did you get someone hired?
No, it didn't go how I planned it to go.
Say it again.
It didn't go how I planned it. When the last court date, we were discussing about the 750 when I called back.
So here's the thing, it's been 30 days and I've probably seen hundreds of people, so remind me of what you were gonna do.
We discussed the lawyer, the law firm, Dunham and Jones,
Uh-huh,
and I told you that they wanted $750,000.
right.
Hold up. Did you catch that number? $750,000? That's either a massive misunderstanding or someone quoting a full-blown trial retainer. Either way, the judge pivots immediately. Translation, okay, this isn't going anywhere. Let's talk court-appointed counsel. When private representation becomes unrealistic, the system switches lanes fast.
Again, it was $2,000, so that could be.
Did you talk to some other lawyers then?
I talked to them, but I don't remember the names. They wanted me to pay to talk to them. I couldn't pay to talk to them at the moment. I ain't have to pay to talk to them.
Right. Are you working?
Yeah, I'm working, but
Where are you working?
I'm working at FedEx.
So-
It's part-time, but
All right, so I'm gonna have you fill out some paperwork this morning, Mr. Sparks, to see if you qualify for a court-appointed lawyer.
Yes.
You need to fill it out accurately and completely. You're gonna swear under oath that it's all true.
yes,
Step in front of the clerk down there, she'll give you that paperwork.
yes, thank you.
See, Mr. Walker, you've got a Laura Adams.
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm okay, except that I can't hear this morning. I've got just this.
Can't hear you. So stop that.
I felt like it just got worse too. It's like it just went, whoosh, you know, you get that sound.
Hearing our voices. Yeah, every time,
Yeah, y'all did it to me.
every time you'd say, I can't hear you, I'd say, do what? Yeah, my equilibrium, the whole deal. Where I'll get with my case on Miss Adams, and I think we'll have this resolved pretty quick.
Okay, Ms. Malfino's
It's
done.
Ms. Malfino. She's not gonna be here this morning. She does have a note that she needed to have a conversation with Judge Walker about working this case out. I think they have an agreement. They just need to have it hammered out.
Here she comes, Judge.
Good morning, ma'am. You're Laura Adams.
Yes.
And this is 25 DCCR 0870. Ms. Adams is charged with injury to a child, elderly, or a disabled individual. And it sounds like you need a little time to visit with Ms. Malfino and get this worked out. So I'm going to reset your case, Ms. Adams. Make sure you stay in touch with Mr. Walker. He'll let you know when you need to be back. And you guys can visit about your case before then, okay? You're free to go. And you have Aaron Shetley